How to fix iPhone stuck on black screen or frozen screen. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. The first and the most effective fix for this issue is to force restart your iPhone. So in order to force restart, press the volume up button and then release it, followed by quickly press and release the volume down button and then press and hold the side button and keep holding until the Apple logo appears. Ignore the slide to power off screen and just keep holding, and your iPhone will take a forced restart and see if the black screen still appears or disappears. If it still appears, then you can simply charge your phone, as sometimes it's just a drained battery issue. So plug your phone into a charger and wait for minimum 15 to 30 minutes and then try turning it on again and see if that helps. If not, then you can simply update or restore your iPhone using a computer. So connect your iPhone to a computer and open Finder or iTunes and force restart again while connected and then update or restore the files. See if that helps, and if not, then you can simply check for screen versus system issue, as your phone might be on but the screen is dead. So if you hear sounds or vibration and if calls still come in or if notifications makes noise, then it's simply a hardware issue. So you have to take your iPhone to a certified Apple service provider and they will further help you in fixing your problem. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix iPhone stuck on black screen or frozen screen. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.